Looking for the best drones to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Holystone HS700D Drone. This drone features a 1500 kV brushless motor that's near silent but exceptionally powerful. There isn't any loud vibration on this drone, making it the best one to use in difficult terrain or nighttime operations. The Holystone HS700D is a highly premium drone with a powerful brushless 1500 kV motor that's near silent when launched. It also features a modular battery that manages roughly 20 to 30 minutes of flight and quick-release propellers for efficient storage and setup. Its software and systems are also quite the treat for drone enthusiasts: a GPS follow me feature for hands-free aerial shots, automated return to takeoff point during a power or connection loss, and an easy custom flight path option via the app, just to name a few. The 2K FHD camera is also quite impressive for its price point, adjustable up to 90 degrees with a 110-degree FOV lens and 5G transmitting capabilities. You can even transmit your live videos up to 790 m away from origin. Number 2. Potensic T25 Drone. T25's 1080p HD and adjustable angles make this the best cheap drone for photography. It comes with a dual GPS and 9-axis gyro that help it stay as steady as possible even when buffeted by substantial wind speeds. For people interested in learning how to fly a drone, the Potensic T25 is a solid choice. It has a simple setup, straightforward operations, and intuitive controls so you can adjust it as needed. Another reason we highly recommend it for beginners is that it's operational indoors. This drone is also capable of adjusting camera angles up to 75 degrees with its 120-degree FOV lens, giving you more diversity to your photos/videos. And with its 9-axis gyro for maximum stability, this drone can easily fly, turn, and hover in tight spaces. Number 3. DJI Mavic Mini Drone. This Pix 3-axis gimbal makes it the best drone for photography. It functions like a high-performance model despite being a fraction of its size, and its stability is superb for something so lightweight. The DJI Mavic Mini only measures 6.3 inches in length and weighs less than 250 g, yet it has powerful features. Under perfect weather conditions, it can reach around 30 minutes of flight time. Meanwhile, its built-in 3-axis motorized gimbal guarantees superior stability. The Mavic Mini's design is both portable and foldable, with flight speeds reaching up to 29 miles per hour.